Integrating React context with Redux combines Redux's state management with React's component-level state management. Start by creating a new React app using createReact-app and install react-redux and Redux for integration. Set up the Redux store by creating a new store file, importing createStore from Redux, and creating a reducer function. Wrap the entire app with the provider component from react-redux, passing the store as a prop. Create a new context using createContext from React and a provider component for sharing state. Connect the Redux store to the context provider using the connect function to access state and dispatch. Utilize the context consumer and use context hook in components to access shared state. Use dispatch and use selector hooks from React Redux to manage state and functional components. Follow best practices. Keep state simple, avoid re-renders, and use immutable data for predictability. By integrating React context with Redux, developers can build scalable and maintainable applications.